What's up, besties? It's your girl, Desi. If you want to learn how to make these Southwest egg rolls, then stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, so first you're going to need these ingredients. We have taco seasoning, cheese, oil, tortillas, chicken. What else? Go back. Onion, garlic. Okay, there go the chicken. Chop it up in small pieces. And then I have corn, black beans, tortillas, olive oil, cheese, and taco seasoning. Okay, then first you're gonna put your oil in your pan to cook the chicken. That's a cast iron pot, but you can use whatever kind of pot you have. So after that, you're gonna put your chicken in there. You're gonna season your chicken however you season chicken, okay? So just season it. Then you put onions, chop up your onions, and then about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. And you're going to cook that all together till it start looking cooked. Then you're going to season that chicken and onions and garlic with taco seasoning. So you're going to dab it on there, sprinkle it on there like that. Get it in there good, mix that together, and then you're going to mix your corn. Just like that. Your black beans. Those black beans got a little bit of jalapeno in there, so that's good. But you can put whatever kind of black beans you like. So you got corn, black beans, chicken, and onions and garlic. Mix that together. Cook that down a little bit. Then that comes the cheese. You got your Mexican 3 cheese, baby. You can put this much cheese, however much that is. Half the bag. Or you can put the whole bag. It don't matter. If you want to be constipated, put the whole bag. Okay, so that's the cheese. And you mix that down to the cheese melt. And it's going to look good, baby. Look at that. Oh, there you go. Get into it. Mix it up like that. And then after that, you're going to make this sort of paste type mixture. You can use flour, but I got cornstarch. So you can use flour or cornstarch. And you're just going to mix the flour with some water till you get like a pasty texture. So you just mix it together. It's gonna be like some glue. You know how the texture of Elmer's glue is? Get it like that. So that right there is not the right texture. So I'm gonna pour some more in there. Get a little bit thicker. Put some more cornstarch in there.
Beat it up in there.
And stir it up. And you're gonna make it till you get a little bit more paste. So you're gonna use this mixture to close your
egg rolls.
Thank you, son. Your egg rolls.
C-Dub here. Hey.
C-Dub say what's up. He just gotta be in the doggone video. Just say anything. Okay, so you're gonna mix it up like that. Get it off of that spoon. Mix it. See how they kind of look like glue a little bit? And while you're doing that, you can also heat up your canola oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you got, but I use canola oil. You're going to use that, heat that up in a pot.
Yep. Heat it up.
And then, so the mixture that you made, then you're going to put it in your tortilla. So that's flour tortillas, y'all. You put that in the little kind. That's not the little mini kind, but you know, just like the little small regular kind. You're going to fold it inside, turn it. Wait, let's do it again. You're going to put the mixture in there. Put that in there a little bit, not too much. You're going to fold the sides and then tuck it in the back. Like you're rolling like a little sweet. Just roll it up like that. And then if you have some left over, you're going to scoop that off of there. And then you're going to use that mixture, that paste that you mix. You're going to just spread it at the end like that and close it up. It's going to stick together like that. Close it up and then you're going to put it side down so it can, stay. Then you're going to do that until you run out of mixture or until you run out of tortillas, whichever one comes first. If you run out of the tortillas and you got a lot of mixture left, you can put that thing over some rice. You can eat that with anything because it's good. So, okay, this is how you fold it. You fold it sides. Then come up the back like that and roll it. roll it. Then you use your paste. Use your paste. And you spread that paste across there, and then you roll it. Roll it. And it's gonna stick to the thing like that, like glue. It's gonna stick right there. Then you just keep doing that until you get a lot of them. See that? Roll it. Okay, so here I tried to do it a different way. So I rolled the back first. Then I took the sides and then rolled it like that. But just get it done. It don't matter how you roll it, because I'm not no professional tortilla roller, so I really don't know. But just get it done. And then tell your husband, be quiet in the background, because he know you're trying to make this video. And you roll it. So, okay. So, in the meantime, your grease is getting hot like that. Step back because you don't want to get burnt. Okay, it's getting hot. I got it like on medium high. Medium high. You're going to drop the tortillas, the egg rolls down. Like the folded part. You know the part that you stuck together. Put that part down first. So it can hold it together. You're going to let that brown. Maybe like 2 minutes or a minute. Don't burn it. Just let it brown. Get a little golden crisp brown. After it get golden crisp brown. You see that? I meant to say crisp, but crisp brown will work. Okay, you're going to flip it over. You see how that is golden crisp? You're going to flip it over like that. And flip them all over. And sometimes you can flip them on the side. Get the sides. What? Oh my God. I can't never make no video. Flip the sides like that. And then get the whole thing crisp brown. Crisp brown. Golden brown. Yeah, they're going to look good too. So just take them out of there when they get brown, the color you want them. You're going to take them and put them on like a frying rack. Or, you know, like the little rack you put chicken on. Get that. Put your little paper towel on there so the grease won't go through. And then that's it. You just look at it like that. You're going to cut it in the middle. So that way it'll be like the Southwest egg rolls at the place. So you're going to cut it and you see that cheese and beans and that chicken in there. Get into it. And don't talk about my cutting board because it's got burnt on the stove. Okay. So we cut it like that. We're just going to cut another one. It's hot. It's going to be hot. So don't burn your fingers. There you go. Look at it. Get into it. Okay. So that's what we got. That's how we make it. And it's going to come out like that. You just keep doing the same thing over till you cook all of them. Yeah. And you can make your own dipping mixture. You can use whatever you got. I add sour cream. So that's what I put. Sour cream, baby. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, baby.